face up. Stay like this. Okay, that's okay, don't worry. Relax, relax. Oh, that's the one. So here?
Yeah.
Good. One more. Nice one. Nice one. Up. I know. It's sharp, but that's a loose. Loose. That's the one. One more. Loose. That's the one. Good. Stay there. Don't move. Okay, stay there. Stay there. That's it. We're gonna stretch slowly first. We see if you feel some pops in your neck, well, that's okay. Relax. Loose.
Oh!
Perfect. You didn't expect that, huh? Don't worry. Stay.
That's good.
Don't worry, it's a good release, all pull. You know.
It's like all the tension just...
All vertebrae pop,
Yeah.
move up. Good, stay. No problem.
Oh.
Relax, nice. I know.
Oh.
I know. Sorry, no? Nice. Oh, yes. You feel good. I know. Nice one. I know, don't worry. That's the one.
Jesus. Oh, baby.
It's not Jesus, he's in here, sorry. It's okay. You have this problem there.
Yeah, just
yeah. Relax. Loose, leave it. Just want to see. Oh, not easy.
Hard work, Julie. Hard work.
It's okay, don't worry. Nice one. Oh, okay. You can sit anytime. You can stand up. Here. Sit. Come a little bit closer here. Yeah. Sit there. Okay. That's a good experience for you.
Oh.
Still alive.
It's still alive.
Yeah. No problem. Stand up, please, and walk a little bit around. walk a little around, check your paw, check your movement, and then
Yeah.
what do you think?
Yeah. Much looser.
Looser, yeah?
Yeah. 100%.
Okay, I'm very, very happy. Now, do me a favor. Face that way and put your hands, hold it there. That's it, thank you. One more lift up. Oh, that's the one. That's the one. Walk around, check again. Up. Yeah. Thank you guys, thank you for watching me. Loads of people.